our Buddha nature is like diamond. But right now we have this diamond is obscured by what we call obscuration, like muds. This is why we don't see our innate qualities, our true quality, the enlightened qualities. When the diamond obscured by mud, they're almost like same as like mud. You cannot see the good qualities. If you eliminate mud, then you see the precious, clean, transparent, all these qualities you can see. That's why we cannot see right now because of the obscuration. So when we eliminate obscuration, then we can see our true nature, which is the Buddha nature. Then we become Buddha. When you become Buddha, your true nature not getting better, because it's already good from beginningless time until now. So now, how to recognize your own diamond? How to recognize the Buddha nature? Through awareness. That's why the meditative awareness, little bit recognize, then pure awareness, fully recognize. So pure awareness is the main function of the practice of the pure awareness. Recognize your Buddha nature directly.